Now, the topic is improvement in crop yield. The yield from crops can be improved by adopting some of the scientific approaches, which are main three. First is management of crop production. Second is crop improvement, which is the varietal improvement through genetic manipulation, through hybridization, and some of the other scientific method. Third approach is management of crop protection. At first, about the management of crop production. Managing crop production requires a skillful dealing with all aspects of crop production in a successful way. The measures are taken to provide manure and fertilizers, proper irrigation, better farming, and modern farming implements to the farmers. In this side, the management in crop production, there are the requirement of nutrients and the water. At first, the management of nutrients. A plant require about 16 different kinds of nutrients. Some of the example of these nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, etc. On the basis of its consumption, the nutrients are categorized into two groups. First group is the macronutrients. These are the nutrients which are needed by plants in large amounts, which are called the macronutrients. Example of these nutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Among the 9 macronutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus along with potassium are needed in greater amounts than the others, which ensure the growth of plant. These are also known as the primary nutrients. The second type of nutrient is the micronutrients, which are needed by a crop plant in very small quantities. The examples of these nutrients are iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine. Now, the sources of nutrients. Plants obtain carbon from the carbon dioxide present in the air. Here is one table which is about the sources of nutrients. Some of them are the natural source, air, water, and soil. A crop plant obtain the carbon and oxygen from the air, hydrogen from the water, some of the macronutrients from the soil, which are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, manganese, and sulfur. Whereas soil has also some of the micronutrients, which are the iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine. The other sources of nutrients are the manure and fertilizer. Manure is the organic substance, whereas fertilizers are the inorganic substances which are produced in factory, whereas manure is produced in farmland by the decomposition of remains under of plants and animals.